Welcome back to Spelling Kitchen Words with Mr. Leolis. Today we're focusing on words that deal with our kitchen space and cooking. Get your letters out, letters of the alphabet, A to the letter Z. Don't forget your doubles, double letters for your vowels. So this week's lesson was about using the mixer and safety practices with a mixer. So of course our first word will be the mixer. Okay, so let's start by finding the letter M. I. X. E. And the letter R. Mixer. So mixer is an appliance we find in our kitchen, and we use it to mix our ingredients. So you'd be making bread, you want to mix the bread ingredients, or you will be baking cupcakes or a cookie dough, you would be using your mixer. And there's many different kinds of mixers. There is the handheld mixer, and there's also the tabletop mixer. So let's talk about some of the parts to the mixer. So the mixer has different speeds. So speed is our next word. And you can find that on the mixer to see how fast you want it to move. Okay, so first letter is letter S, speed for S, or S for speed. P. E. E. And the letter D, speed. So again, the mixer, based on how fast you want it to go, you would adjust the speed. So sometimes you want to just go at a very low speed, which is a slower pace, or you might want to go at a higher speed, which is faster. Okay, let's put our letters back. Our next word is the word beater, and that is the part that mixes all of the ingredients together. The beater. To be very careful around the beater, because if we put our fingers in there or our hair gets caught in there, we can get seriously hurt. So let's spell the word beater. Start with the letter B. E. A. T. E. R. Beater. And again, the beater is the part of the mixer that spins around and mixes all of the wet or dry ingredients together. So let's put our letters back. Be very careful when you're using the beater, because as I said earlier, you don't want to get anything stuck in there that doesn't belong in there, like your hair or your fingers. And you don't want to be putting anything in there while it's working, because that can definitely be very, very problematic. It can be very dangerous. All right. So our beaters generally are used with electricity, so they're electric. They need power to run. You can find handheld beaters, but nowadays everybody uses electric. So let's spell the word electric. E. L. E. C. T. R. I. And the letter C. Electric. And again, most of our beaters are plugged into the wall for electricity in order to operate. And we've known from other lessons in kitchen safety, you have to be very careful with electricity, especially when there is water nearby, because that can be very dangerous. Let's put our words back while I talk. And the electricity is the power that runs in our walls or through our walls in the plug. And in order to plug in our mixers, you need to plug in the cord. The cord is what gives it the power. So let's spell the word cord. C. O. R. And D. Cord. Great. And the cord is what gives the power in order to use the electricity that runs our mixers. All right, so watch the video on mixer safety that was posted for this week. And make sure if you are using a mixer, you are very safe, and ask for help if you need help. And thank you for participating in this week's Spelling Kitchen Words with Mr. Leolis. We'll see you next time.